Welcome back to our podcast. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, the IELTS Speaking Test.
That's right. The IELTS Speaking Test can be quite daunting, but with the right tips and tricks, you can definitely ace it.
Absolutely. So, let's start by discussing what the IELTS Speaking Test actually entails. It's divided into 3 parts, right?
Exactly. In Part 1, you'll answer questions about yourself. It's a great chance to warm up and get comfortable. What do you think is the best way to prepare for this section?
I believe practicing common questions and having clear, concise answers can really help. But here's a question for you. How important is it to speak fluently versus accurately?
That's a great point. Fluency is key, but you also want to demonstrate a good range of vocabulary. Balancing both is crucial. What strategies do you recommend for vocabulary building?
Reading widely and engaging in conversations can really expand your vocabulary. Plus, learning synonyms can help you avoid repetition.
Moving on to Part 2, where you have to speak for about 2 minutes on a given topic. Any tips on how to fill that time effectively?
Definitely. I suggest structuring your response with an introduction, some main points, and a conclusion. It helps keep your thoughts organized.
And don't forget to practice with a timer. It's a good idea to get used to speaking for that length of time.
Great tip. Now let's talk about Part 3. This is where the discussion gets a bit deeper. How can candidates prepare for more abstract questions?
Engaging with current events and cultural topics can really help. Plus, practicing with a partner can simulate that discussion vibe.
Exactly. And remember, it's all about expressing your opinions clearly and confidently. So, what's our takeaway for today?
To sum it up, practice is essential. Focus on fluency and vocabulary. Structure your responses, and don't shy away from discussing deeper topics.
If you're serious about improving your IELTS speaking skills and reaching your dream band score, check the link in the description to get my ebook, IELTS Speaking Success, a guide to acing the exam. It's your complete strategy guide to mastering the test. Don't miss it. Start your journey to success today.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope these tips help you feel more prepared for the IELTS speaking test. Good luck!